I got you. All right, cool. What's up, everybody? I'm Adam, basketball player here in CMC. Wanna come check out my crib here at Phillips Hall. You can see we got a high-tech security system here. We make sure nobody can get into our spot. Come on in. As you can see, we have really cool carpet we picked out, and we picked the color purple, you know, because kings live here. Come on down. This is my really, really big bathroom. Oh, what's up? Did you like the big bathroom? I was just doing a little studying while I was waiting for you. Let's check out our spot here. This is where all of my homies hang out. Like our little prayer flags up here. I got those while I was up at K2, checking it out for spring break. Of course, we hang out here at the lounge, and all of my buddies like to hang out, watch a little TV. And of course, they come over, and I make them some of the best paninis right here on this panini press. One of the best ones in town. Yeah, you got everything here, nice little closet space. A couple beds. I let a couple friends hang out up here. It's all right, you know, whenever they like to come over, sleep over, I like to give them a spot. And you saw my amazing room. Let's head down to the lounge, hang out with some friends. Let's go into my lounge, hang out with some of my friends over here. So these are my friends. Hey! So this is kind of what we do here. We got all these cool lights, because, you know, I'm into house music, so I like to, you know, play some really cool music and get the lights going. Got the big screen TV. All right, so you've seen my room, you've seen my bathroom, and you've seen my lounge. Now it's time for you to go. We're gonna hang out. Thanks for coming to Phillips Hall.
Well, that crib's nonsense. Well, welcome, come on in. This is my glorious room. Some things I should highlight about this place are, one, as you can tell, I'm a very energetic person, so I need my rest. So the blackout curtains help me get sleep any time of day when I need to recharge. It's a wonderful thing. I really love the bulletin board on the wall. Can keep all my important stuff on there as necessary. I like being in Beckett because it's green, and I just love green. It stands for money. I should probably shower at some point this week, so let's go check out the shower. A little privacy would be appreciated at this point. That's much better. Like to freshen up, try to add on a certain sense of professionalism. And welcome to Beckett Lounge, where I spend most of my time. Please allow me to show you around a little bit. So being a member of the phone night staff as a student, it's just really great for me to have a place where I can strategize about how to best ask for money. I stay up late working on that stuff, and this is what keeps me going. Most people need caffeine. I just need my Orange Crush, and I am good to go. And I love being in this room because we have high ceilings with green LEDs, and it reminds me it's all about the money, all about the money. And then I actually installed this awesome projector so that I could look on the big screen and just see the stats and analyze exactly what it is that I need to do so that I can be better at my job. And because, you know, CMCers need to be the best at everything, right? And finally, I want to take a walk over here. I take pride in being one of the students at CMC who does their laundry a lot. So I, at least once every 3 or 4 months, I come in here to this awesome and beautiful laundry room. I mean, just state of the art, state of the art. thanks for checking it out. I hope you enjoyed touring Beckett. I think it's the best hall on campus, but if you don't like it, well, that sucks.
Oh, hey, I wasn't expecting you so early. How about you and I go in and have some sweet tea and check out my house at Burger Hall, all right? After you. Hi, welcome to Burger. If you notice, the walls are yellow, my favorite color. I had the walls done just to make me happy, and it always feels like sunshine in here. Let's check out my room. Welcome to my room. I'm glad you're here. Check it out. My favorite parts of my room are my makeup table. You know you have to look pretty. My favorite color, remember, yellow. I decorated the entire room with my favorite colors, and my favorite part is my shoe rack. Lots of shoes, lots of space, and you can even see in here, I've got some more shoes. All right, so how about next I show you my favorite place on campus, the garden. All right, let's go. I am so glad you got to come and see my house. Check out my favorite place. This is the gardens right outside the residence halls. This is where I come and relax, especially after a long, hard day and after a hard test. I come here, relax, enjoy nature. I hope you'll come back again soon, and I will see you later. Bye.